Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Rai and in this video I am going to explore the Cambial database. What is Cambial database? The Human Genome Sequence provided a complete molecular part list for researchers interested in improving human health. A key task now is to catalog how the gene product interact with drug and drug-like molecules. So Cambial is a chemogenomic database that brings together chemical, bioactivity and genomic data to aid the translation of genomic information into effective new drugs. The resource is therefore of interest to drug discovery researchers in large pharmaceutical companies as well as small companies and academic institutions. Over here we see that what the data included in Cambial database. So Cambial is a manually created, freely available database of bioactivity molecule with drug-like properties. The database is unique because of its focus on all aspects of drug discovery and its size containing information on more than 1.8 million compound and over 15 billion records of their effect on biological system. Cambial include information about how a small molecule interact with their protein targets, how these compounds affect cells and whole organism, and information on absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity. Cambial hold two-dimensional structure calculated molecular properties and bioactivity data such as binding constant and pharmacology. The bioactivity data is tagged to show link between molecular targets and published assay. The data primarily manually extracted and curated structure-activity relationship data from the primarily medicinal chemistry and pharmacology literatures. Additionally, the Cambial database contains data deposited by researchers and data extracted from other data sources. And lastly, the data on the clinical progress of compound has been integrated to Cambial. In this diagram, you can see that Cambial have a highly curated set of drug molecule that includes marketed compound and compound that are or have previously been in clinical development. These compounds are annotated with their known therapeutic targets and their therapeutic indications. Over here, we can see that how is Cambial data is curated. So Cambial identifies scientific fact in a journal article and then extract the information and add it to the Cambial database in a structured format. For example, an article might have a structure-activity relationship data for a series of related compound binding to a specific protein in the form of a number of IC50 values. In this case, we'll draw the chemical structure as moleflies or smiles. Then we'll identify the UniProt accession number for the protein and the organism it is from and extract a short description of the experiment that the IC50 values were measured in. This information is then added to the Cambial database and then you can search it for a specific target by name or a sequence or do substructure or similarity searches to find data on a specific chemotype. If an article has data on measurement made in cell-based assay, in vivo pharmacology assay or pharmacokinetics studies for compound, then we'll also extract that and add it to the Cambial database. Then Cambial perform additional curation and annotation of the data so that Cambial provide a high quality database for us to use in research. So this curation process you can see in this figure. Over here we can see that how to access the Cambial database. So you can get access to the Cambial database in a number of different ways, by using the Cambial website, by using the web services, by downloading the whole database in a number of different formats, by the EBI RDF platform. Here you can see the web interface of the Cambial database. So this Cambial web interface provide a flexible and easy way to access Cambial's core bioactivity data. Searching is via an encrypted and secure protocol. You can perform searches of the Cambial data in many ways, like by exploring Cambial by viewing complete entity set, by explore bioactivity data on protein target families, a flexible text matching search for Cambial entities such as compound, targets, assay, documents, cells, and tissues, by compound substructure and similarity searches, and search by protein sequence similarity, using BLAST. So here I am going to explore you the Cambial web interface. So for that you have to simply write on your search browser that Cambial database. You will get this first link on the page. You have to simply click on it. Then you will find this web interface, that is homepage of the Cambial database. Here you can find the search bar where you have to write the name of the chemical, or you can easily draw the structure of that chemical, or you can also paste the sequence in this option, that is biological sequence, or you can also search by using the Cambial ID. In the chemical structure option you have the similarity option, so you can by using this slider you can choose the percentage of the similarity. So here I am taking the example of the dopamine. Over here you can see the number of the result you will find at the top of the page. Like we have 86 compound, 54 targets, 7825 essay, 1299 documents, and this is how the data look like. At the left hand side you can see we have filter option. By using this option you can filter your data, or you can also put it as default. Then here we have the different view option of the data. You can also view it in graph format, or you can heat map format. Which format you want to view the data, you can easily choose from here. Then here we have the download option. You can easily download these data into CSV format, TSV, or as well as SDF format also. So you can download large set of data and you can move for the large library for identification, by which is the best for drug compound, and you can generate a virtual library of this compound. So here I am going to take the first one. You have to simply click on this Cambial ID and you will get the Cambial this compound report card. So this report card contains the structure of the compound, and here we will get the Cambial ID, which is very important. Then the name of the compound, which is dopamine. Then we have maximum phase, molecular formula, molecular weight, molecular type, and many more. At the right hand side you can see here is the information of that from which source it is being taken. On this you can easily explore by searching the particular target. Even you can search by any cancer type. For example, here I am searching for lung cancer. So here you can get the result for lung cancer. This is the compound result. So here I am taking the tissue ones. So here you can see that it contains the Cambial ID, and you can easily see the activities of the lung cancer. This all the information you can get directly for any particular drug target, and you can move for the large virtual library study and move for the drug discovery process by searching these type of particular drug target or any keyword that you have. And you can download this data in CSV and TSV format. This is all about this Cambial database. And if you want to know more about the Cambial database, you can easily go through PMC articles. Thanks for watching.